I'm cooking a potato, boneless chicken and green peas together, all three items together. I just chopped onion with a little bit of oil, and this is tomato sauce, 1 spoon of tomato sauce I added. Now I'm going to fry a little bit, just a minute or two maximum, and then I'm going to add just turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt and cumin seed. Only 4 items here. And now I'm going to add ginger and garlic paste, which is a mix right here. So it will be very easy to cook that way. It will take like a 25 to 30 minutes maximum to everything will be ready and tender. So it does not take too long to cook this. Just preparation takes a little bit time, like peeling, cutting, and just to chopped onion get golden brown. After that everything is easy. So now I'm going to add a little water. Now a little gravy ready. So I will add chicken, potato, and I just cut it that this is a frozen 1 pack of green peas I took out from freezer. So now I'm going to add water, and I will let it cook. So I may have to add a little bit more water because I need a little gravy. Not a kind of soup, but a little bit gravy. So that will go with white rice. So I'm going to cover now, and I will let it cook like a 15 to 20 minutes. If I need to add more water, I will add it, and then I'm going to check its salt before I will turn off everything. So then I will garnish a little bit with the cilantro. So that should be ready after that.